Today, we're diving into expert advice for selling your home in Ontario, especially in light of recent interest rate cuts. If you're looking to maximize your profits, stay tuned. Recently, the Bank of Canada reduced its key overnight lending rate by 25 basis points to 4.75%. This is fantastic news for homeowners looking to sell. But how can you make the most of this opportunity? Here are 5 key tips for selling your home successfully in this market. 1. Highlight affordability. With lower interest rates, emphasize to potential buyers how affordable your home can be. 2. Price competitively. Attract multiple offers by pricing your home right. 3. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. Make sure your home's exterior is inviting. 4. Stage your home. Help buyers envision themselves living there by staging your home effectively. 5. Market aggressively. Utilize online listings, social media, and open houses to reach a wider audience. In Ontario, there are specific resources that can help you navigate the real estate market. Websites like Realtor.ca, RateHub.ca, and the Canadian Real Estate Association provide valuable tools and information. These platforms offer insights into current market trends, mortgage calculators, and listings that can help you stay informed and make better decisions. Taking advantage of lower interest rates can significantly impact your ability to sell your home quickly and at a desirable price. By understanding market conditions and ensuring your home is presented in the best possible light, you can attract more buyers and maximize your profits. For more tips on selling your home and to find the perfect agent for you, visit us at lifestylevideos.com.